Today we are going to learn about birthday party items. Alright, let's begin. Food. Cake.
蛋糕，蛋糕，
Cupcakes.
纸杯蛋糕，纸杯蛋糕，
Cold drinks.
冷饮，冷饮，
Sweets.
糖果，糖果，
Lollipops.
棒棒糖，棒棒糖，
Chocolates.
巧克力，巧克力，
Ice cream.
冰淇淋，冰淇淋，
Snacks.
零食，零食，
Popcorns.
爆米花，爆米花，
Decoration. Balloons.
气球，气球，
Candles.
蜡烛，蜡烛，
Ribbons.
丝带，丝带，
Birthday cards.
生日贺卡，生日贺卡，
Gifts.
礼物，礼物，
Wrapping paper.
包装纸，包装纸，
Plastic cutlery.
塑料餐具，塑料餐具，
Tablecloths.
桌布，桌布，
Paper plates.
纸碟，纸碟，
Paper napkins.
餐巾纸，餐巾纸，
Party hats.
派对帽子，派对帽子，
Birthday badge.
生日徽章，生日徽章，
Gift bags.
礼品袋，礼品袋，
Party mask.
派对面具，派对面具，
Bouncy castle.
充气城堡，充气城堡，
Playing cards.
扑克牌，扑克牌。
This is the end of our class. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.